Hello guys, Kwame Chumesini and Bijidise Obiahu here. And then I want to bring a very quick and fast video. Most times when I'm getting into mini importation, they make a lot of mistakes. I won't say products be for na gidi. I'm because product way there more be 1,000 cities are making me out about beton. They go on Alibaba 1688 pin dodono. They look at the unit cost of the product, Now straight away they will make their calculation on that. That is very wrong. Most people forget say they need to add like their shipping cost. Most people also forget say product in Accra or turn say ABI electronic device sometimes some devices will not work and our product in the bedroom Ghana Accra ABI then ABI bubu and ABI defect. You need to factor all this to get something we call the landed cost and sana wa calculate your profit. And in this video I'll quickly demonstrate how you can calculate your landed cost of your product and sana you buy your product from China to Ghana. Benko baby, I'll be right back. Okay guys, and to help with so you guys will understand what I'm trying to say, you pay use this product I found on Alibaba into where like a mini printer. This can be like a winning product for you guys, but this mini printer is very small. To me might be brave and it's very helpful, but I'm not talking about the product today. But see, I use way as an illustrator. And most times I'll just come on Alibaba, okay, and percent me calculate how much it's actually going to cost me to buy this product, ship it to Ghana and sell it. This is what I basically do. So I come here. Now, first, my check is a supplier we are legit. Into your back down out to a supplier we or you're verified. And a supplier we what do you call it? Or Shenzhen was a Juma for 17 years now, which is really good. The rating store rating is 4.7 over 5. And I'll share now when you're over what do you call it? 5,120 rating, which is really good. All right, and apart from store now my verify say store owner good now fee my best product we share product now or more so top 10 to 99 pieces $8.66 US dollars from 100 going so $8.08 to $6.73 so top 10,000 pieces and above. But for this video the info say top just 10 pieces. Okay, into my final product, which is really good. Now, how do I calculate? As near calculate, of course, we'll be using BuySellClub and Fofoofo to do our shipping, and you also have to take note of how much it's going to cost us to ship this product from China to Ghana. And to Fofoofo, for example, and our BuySellClub.org now, we'll just have to look at their current shipping rate. Yeshua now omoje $255 per CBM. You can also ship by air, but if you want to make more profit, you save a lot of money if you ship by sea. And we use Fofoofo import on our BuySellClub.org or more rate of $255 per CBM. Afi, let's get into the video. Okay guys, and I've got a little presentation here for you guys. And how much does it really cost to import from China to Ghana? And taught this mini printer from China to Ghana, how much does it really cost? And Yemfan said one, taught one product. And this mini printer, it cost me, so product back could be a meta. It cost me $8.66 US dollars. But when people see this now, I'm just say cost nani, but also more calculate other costs, which is ABI, how they even make the payments. Omuye payments from ABI Ghana cities to either RMB and Yuan, China delivery, almost supplier or deliver to their freight forwarder. In Tianfan or deliver to BuySellClub warehouse. Also, how much BuySellClub is going to charge them to ship the item to Ghana. And also say to me from BuySellClub warehouse or Accra, how much is going to cost them to ship and to deliver the goods from BuySellClub's warehouse to their destination and to their doorstep. And sometimes when you have some defects. And these are all things that you need to consider when calculating your cost. And the says here, top 10 unit now Bakubia is going to cost us $8.66 now. Every unit to be honest, the gross weight near 0.35 kg. Most times, you need this weight if you want to do what they call a shipment. But more person what they call a sea shipment now. Package size now wahano. And know that you need to look into because you need to calculate the CBM in regards to say products be to how much would the CBM be. Now, say them more BuySellClub website say you perceive use as our shipping agent from shipping from China to what they call it to Ghana. Their rate is $255 per CBM. And tenona I was say then share and no answer. And see how do you calculate your CBM? So this is the what they call it the dimension of the Bluetooth, the portable printer now. That means for every unit, you'll be looking at 0.0009 CBM, which is very, very small. And to say a top 10, this times 10 will give us 0.009 CBM. And per every product, is going to cost us $2.30 US to ship from China to Ghana. You need to calculate your CBM. If you guys want me to show you how you can easily calculate your CBM on the BuySellClub website, I'll just leave it in the comment section below and I'll show you guys. And to see a top 10 of the product now, altogether is going to cost us $86.60. This is the product cost for 10, what do you call it, units. All right, and you basically need to convert into Ghana cedis. As the time of recording this video, Yemfani said the exchange rate is $11.30. And for every $1 US, you benya 11.30, what do you call it, Ghana cedis, into 11 cedis, 30 pesos. And say your top 10 products now is going to cost us $978. Sorry, 978 Ghana cedis, 58 pesos. That's going to this is the amount we need to invest. So you perceive a top 10 of this mini, what do you call it, mini printers are. And so once we've got this, you also need to factor in shipping. And to say 10 printers is going to cost us 978 Ghana cedis, 58 pesos. So BuySellClub for more ship it from China to Accra. You'll be looking at around $25.93 shipping fees, which is very, very moderate. And now, of course, they give or take. Yemfani say prices here and there. And Yemfani say ABI delivering the items from ABI, your supplier, to what do you call it, to Fofoofo warehouse. And to give or take, we just add ABI extra 50 Ghana cedis because you never know maybe our cost everything it be free about. And see if we add the cost to buy 10 printers plus the shipping of the 25 Ghana cedis now, then we'll be looking at this freight way 25 Ghana cedis to ship 10 of the items, not just one. I made a mistake in the previous way. And so this is how much it's going to cost us to ship 10 items, which is really, really cheap. And so now we'll be looking at a total of 1,054 Ghana cedis and 51, what do you call it, pesos. And so that's going to be the total, what do you call it, landed cost in Ghana. And to see a tomba could be is going to cost us 105 Ghana cedis and 45 pesos per printer. And this is basically how you calculate your, what do you call it, your cost per item. And yes, price or Alibaba now we use that price you need to factor in a lot of things. And so if we are to give a summary based on the price near Alibaba, and if you have to convert it to Ghana cedis, printer piano is going to cost us around 105 Ghana cedis, 45 pesos. Now let's look at the summary. Okay, and see the Ghana, how are we going to make our money? And she said one item BI is going to cost us 105 Ghana cedis and 45 pesos. Then it will make sense to sell each product BI for 250 250 Ghana cedis. And to see a time, say 10 products by 250 Ghana cedis, that means we are going to get 2,500. And to say your landed cost, every 2,500, that means our profit, will be 1,455. But again, this is gross profit. Mentete other cost like ABR or marketing, your staff member car, and ABR customer deliveries and the rest. But again, you can see this product, you will get a lot of profits from. And sometimes, to conclude on how much you're going to sell your product, make sure you know your landed cost. When your landed cost now, into landed cost, is basically how much it's cost you, to buy the product from China and to have it land in Ghana. When you know sana, you add your profit to it. Into when your profit and so now of course, when your gross profit now of course, you factor in other like delivery and the rest, then you minus that, then you get your actual net profit. And this is basically how you can calculate your landed cost of the products before you start investing. And who product product where the air for into make of febi about beton. I hope that this illustration is useful. And see again, never order because the Chinese price looks cheap. Calculate the landed cost per unit first. If you want a calculator, just comment calculator in the comment section and I'll do a video in regards to how to calculate, and I'll give you guys a template in regards to how you can use this to calculate. You can use the template to calculate your landed cost. Within the Kwame. Bye bye. And that's all for today, guys. And any first time I open Fofoofo TV, you know what to do. Please click on that subscribe button so when I release another video, you can benefit from it. Within the Kwame Chumesi, Makramo.